Keep on trucking, keep on trucking, keep on trucking along.
This is the way.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel here today. My name is Brett, and this is the Chopper Fett channel here on YouTube. So what was that singing about? Chugging away? Nope, not about beer. It's about my quest to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know when I'm posting this. I have no idea when it's scheduled to come out. I have no idea what my subscriber count's going to be when I actually post this. Right now I'm at 853, and you can see down below it's either gone up or down. Let's pray it's gone up.
We got to pray just to make it today.
Good Lord, if I've gone down between the time I filmed this and the time that you're seeing it, I said something very wrong, and I'm sorry. Today I wanted to talk about some of the ups and downs of being a motor vlogger trying to get your first 1,000 subscribers. So for me personally, there's been multiple times where I've had the best of times and the worst of times on this channel. It kind of puts me into a funk something. Whoa. That's probably not how that should work. So the best of times, you know, you first start the channel, you start getting some new gear upgrade. Every time you get one of that, it's like, boom, super excited again, and I can't wait to see what's next. Like, how can I utilize this new tech to make the channel better? Will it be enough to bring people into the channel? Will the new technology make me more exciting? I don't know. I don't know how exciting I really am. I mean, I know you guys watch and comment, and I appreciate that. I don't know. It's just a self-conscious thing. I feel like I'm okay. You know, just okay. Just okay. There are a few other things, though, that go into a motovlogging and a YouTube channel that can just be downright frustrating. And I really want to probably kind of hit on the downs, because if I hit on the downs, you can really see how the upside is that much more rewarding. So, I don't know how many of you guys actually have channels who watch my channel. I know a fair share of you definitely do. But how many times have you lost random subscribers? Like, you're putting out a new video, and then like 3 days later, it goes down. It goes up 1, it goes down 2. It goes up 2, maybe it goes down 3. I can't believe anything that I am putting out is causing a subscription loss.
You're so edgy.
And that's one of the frustrating things with YouTube is you don't know who you lost. So you don't know if YouTube has went through and filtered out a bot account or something along those lines. You don't know where it went. And then you start questioning yourself like, oh, why am I doing this? And when you start thinking like that, that's when your material can actually start to reflect your mood. I remember a while back I was kind of down because I had lost, I think in November, I lost something like 20 subscribers that month. Now granted, I was still up like plus 40 for the month, so it was like a plus 60 minus 20 net 40 type of deal. But man, I was so bummed, and it really made me sad. And what was sad about being sad was that I made a sad video. I did. It came through in my voice, and I was like, oh, it hurts to even put this out. And even a couple people commented on it. I'm like, don't let the ups and downs get you bummed out, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Because if you let that happen, you're not going to make it very long in this game. Whether it's YouTube or actual people who are mean to you or, you know, don't like your channel and comment negatively, all that's going to be a very bad day for you when you start actually reading those comments. Now, at the same time, what else can be frustrating about YouTubing and more specifically motovlogging? It's a time investment, guys. Again, there's been so much time invested into this channel, that the average YouTuber or average channel watcher probably doesn't realize what it takes to make an episode. So yeah, like what we're talking right now, this is only going to be probably 8 to 10 minutes when it's published, but you know, it's taken me probably about 15 to 20 to film it, and then I have to edit it, and then I have to edit some more, and then edit some more, and then when it's all said and done, that 10-minute video became a 3 to 3.5 hour project. If you're doing that twice a week, you just work basically an 8-hour shift of work. And you're trying to do this in your free time. So not only is it cutting into your free time, it's cutting into your ride time, and that's a deer. I see you. Alright. Of course, it's on the side that's not on the 360 camera. Of course. But I'm just glad I saw it. So yeah, it takes so much time. But let me tell you what, guys. I know I kind of been a little negative here at the beginning. It's so rewarding and it is so worth it, let me tell you. Every time I actually get a new subscriber, especially from someone who isn't a fellow motovlogger, because I do like the motovlog community that we kind of have formed here, where we support each other. I do like that, but that really puts a smile on my face where I get a subscribers from someone who doesn't do this and they are genuinely interested in who and what I am having to say. So even though it can be the most frustrating, time-consuming hobby in the world, it is so rewarding to see the actual steps of being able to succeed. I just absolutely love being a motovlogger. I can't believe I didn't find motorcycling sooner so I could do this sooner, but I tell you what, I wouldn't change anything. Yep, I might not have all the free time in the world. I might have to cut a ride short so I can actually go home and edit, but being able to experience all this with you guys, that's what makes it worth it. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chuck, see you on the next one. Later!